In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch rows and columns in a chart. If your chart isn't telling the story you want because the categories and series are flipped, this quick adjustment will make it much clearer. We'll walk through how to swap the data your chart reads from rows to columns, or the other way around, using the built-in chart editor. Start by clicking the chart you want to modify. A single click is enough. You should see a border appear around the chart, usually with small handles on the corners. That outline confirms the chart is selected and ready to edit. Next, look to the top right corner of the chart itself. You'll see a button with 3 vertical dots, often called More Options. Click that button. This opens a small menu with a few actions you can take on the chart. From that menu, select Edit Chart. Doing this opens the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen. In the Chart Editor, make sure you're on the Setup tab. The editor typically has 2 main sections, Setup and Customize, and you want Setup for anything related to which data is being used and how it's arranged. If you're not already on it, click Setup to bring it into focus. Within the Setup tab, find the checkbox labeled Switch Rows, Columns. Check this box. The moment you do, your chart will update. What's happening behind the scenes is that the data your chart reads as series and categories gets swapped. For example, if your original chart used each column to represent a different series, switching rows and columns will make each row become a series instead. You'll notice the axis labels and the legend may change to reflect the new arrangement. Take a second to review the result. Look at the legend to confirm the series names now make sense, and check the horizontal and vertical axes to ensure the categories are where you expect them. If the new orientation doesn't look right, simply uncheck Switch Rows Columns to revert to the original view. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Chart Editor panel after selecting Edit Chart, click the chart again to bring it into focus, and try once more. If the results still look off, verify your source data has clear headers for the first row and meaningful labels in the first column. Clean headers help the editor assign series and categories correctly. That's all it takes. With a single checkbox, you can flip your chart's perspective and make your data much easier to understand.